How to turn on protection mode on REDnote app. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to Net Nimble. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can turn on protection mode on REDnote app. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you will need to do is open up your REDnote app. After you open up your REDnote app, make sure that you're logged into your account. Now simply head over to Me section that is on the bottom right corner. Now this is your profile section. What you will need to do is you will need to head over to your settings. To head over to your settings, you will see a gear icon right besides the edit profile option. Tap on the gear icon and now you're on the settings page. Now what you'll need to do is you'll need to head over to your privacy settings. You'll find privacy settings right here, so tap on it. Now under the interaction section, you will see protection mode. Now to turn this on, you'll simply need to toggle this button on. So tap on it and it will get toggled on. Now what this does is that you will not receive private messages, comments and sharing from people that do not follow you. And it's that simple. That is how you can turn on protection mode on REDnote app. And that is all for the video guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye. Take care.